everybody was of the consensus that public expenditure is necessary, and if that's necessary, a balance will have to be done between fiscal deficit and the expenditure, and maybe it has to be delayed. These were only suggestions, and certain tax suggestions, as well as the other policies that the government has put in, should be moving us in the right direction. How to get growth and how the financial sector can contribute, and how you bring about a balance between fiscal consolidation and public expenditure, which is the need of the day.
The overall savings in our country needs to be increased much further through a series of actions that need to be taken so that we have enough domestic savings at an individual and at a public level to be able to create investment revival and to create new capital formation. ATC limits which are at 1.5 lakhs, if those could be increased to create more granularity, more retail participation in India's mutual fund market and also in the Indian retail equity market, So that was also a point that was discussed. It was proposed that instead of a 5-year lock-in on the tax benefit which comes on the interest earned on a bank deposit, that this 5-year limit should be reduced to 1 year, so more depositors come into the system, and naturally that means more savings propensity. Also related to that the TDS limit, which is presently at only 10,000 rupees, if that limit could be increased to 50,000 rupees so that there is no TDS on interest income till 50,000, that in itself will increase the overall savings balances in the banking system.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.